tags, yeah, in between our body tags, because that's where our main content goes, we can just literally Control and V or right click and paste that in. Okay. Paste that in. That's all you need to do is just paste that in. Paste your code in there now. Okay. So if you paste your code in there now, Control and V, so you can do CTRL plus V. Okay. Exactly. Or you can right click your mouse. Okay. Right click the mouse, then select paste. Okay. Now, if you look on the side of your page, now if you click on the sorry, what was it? The sunglasses on your glitch, okay, and then click on the either in a new window or next to the code, whichever one you prefer. I prefer next to the code because I can see the code at the same time and I can edit the code and edit the website at the same time. But you should see once you click on next to the code that it will take a while to load, but you should have your music. If you look on my page, I have it. The music from BandLab now there. And if you click on it, you can click on your music. Can you let me know if you've done that, please? Okay. Well done. How Sasha, you click into so I'm going to show you guys one more time. Let me know if your music has come up. Has your music come up? Clifford, has your music come up? Elijah, has your music come up? Brilliant, fantastic. Okay, let's do it one more time. Let's go back to the page. So if you look here, you should be in index.html. So you need to go. Sasha, did you copy the music from BandLab? That's what you need to do. So remember, you need to go to BandLab. I'm going to show the process one more time, guys. No problem. So make sure we go to bandlab.com. You should be logged into BandLab. Then you need to go to the top of the page up here. Type in "you teach me" and click it into one entire word. Okay. And then, guys, what you can do, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to show those of you that may be struggling. Brilliant. Those of you who may be struggling, I'm going to show you the process again. But those of you who have put the music on there already, what I want you to do is put some more songs on there. So you could now write. So put lines of code of different songs. Okay. Because Amelie, you can put Clifford. You've got like loads of songs you need to put on there. Simona, everybody, and everyone else should put each other's music on there as well to promote each other's music, because that's what it's about. Yes, you can put your own, but I want you to also put other people's music and say, I really like this song by this person, because that's what it's about, guys. It's a community. It's about sharing each other's art, okay, sharing each other's work, sharing each other's thoughts. Okay, it's really important that you do that. Okay, so make sure you put other people's music on so that you can get feedback, and so that you can give feedback. Does that make sense, guys? Yeah, we're gonna rearrange it in a bit. Okay, we're gonna rearrange it a bit. Right. So here we go from the top. So guys, if you know how to put the music on, put the music on. Okay, and then I will put some more music on, and I'll show everyone the next process. Okay. So here we go. So if I go back to my feed, you should be here at the top of the screen on BandLab. It should be. So I want you to come to bandlab.com now, guys. If you wanting to redo this with me, I'm going to go to bandlab.com. Okay. You click at the top. You got to search. I want you to click "You Teach Me" in one whole word, and then click on the magnifying glass. If you look at my page, you can look at SEMA. Click on the magnifying glass, and then this will come up. Now you need to make sure that you'll see at the top of the screen. It says "Search results for You Teach Me." You got top users, bands, posts, projects, collections, communities. Make sure it's on top. You click on top, and then that's all the music that we've got for You Teach Me. We've got the Simona's project, Mr. Evans's projects, Clifford's projects there. Loads of music there from Clifford, and Amelie's projects as well. Really good. Okay. And then once you choose in the song, so let's take Amelie's song for example. If I click on that song, okay, you come up with this big web page here. Okay, come up with that big web page. All right. Okay, Kyra, watch the process again, maybe. Okay, and so then we've got Amelie's one here. All you need to do is click on share here, then share or embed the arrow. Okay, then you'll get a pop up. It says share embed at the top of the pop-up. I want you to click on embed. Then you'll see in front of you the code, iframe width 40, all the coding in front of you. I want you to click on copy. That's all you need to do is click on copy once or twice, whatever, it doesn't matter. You click on copy, and what that's done, that's stored the code in the computer's memory. Then once you've done that, you go back over to your glitch.com page. Okay. Well done, Natalia T. You go back to your glitch.com page, and then in your code, after the what you've written, okay, you're going to click Control and paste. Okay, Control and paste, or Control and V. And if someone lets me know how can you put Control and how do you type Control and V, type it in the message box for me, please. Control and V. Good. Well done. Yeah. Okay. Right. Let's have a look at some websites, guys. So I've shown you the process again. Hopefully we should have done that. I want to see some website links. So send me through your website links. Let's have a quick look. So let's have a look at Ian's. Brilliant, Ian. Well done. Okay, not bad at all. Ah, he's got his music there at the bottom. Fantastic. Very good. Very, very, very good. So if you can have a look at it here, Ian's even put the text there. I hope you like my music. At You Teach Me, I was taught how to make my own music using a website called BandLab. And then he's popped electro funk in there, and he's also popped in Mr. Evans Foley that we made last week. All right, let's have a look at whoever's website. It's very good, Ian. I love this. It's brilliant. But we are going to talk out the. But first, remember, guys, we're only doing HTML at the moment. That means we haven't stylized this at all, and that means it's only got HTML in there at the moment. Okay, so we need to stylize that at some point, and we will do it. Okay, so let's have a look at Amelie's. Brilliant. She's got the pictures on there. The scary tiger that scared me last time. Very good. And we've got Amelie's music on there. Fantastic. And Amelie, and guys, what you can do after the code on the new line, if you hold down Shift and Enter. So hold down Shift and Enter after your code. So I'll do it here quickly. So like Ian has done, if you press Shift, Enter, you'll start a new line. And then where you've written the code for the music, you can write a message on there or write something about that, and it will appear just above the thing, just like Ian's. Okay, so you just need to write around it, and it will just show that saying, just like Ian has done, put some text around the music. Very good, Amelie. Okay, who else have we got? Natalia T. Oh no, Simona's. This is the next in line. Let's have a look. Very good. Okay, but yes. So what you can do. So guys, remember this. This is a very important point. Okay. So when you load a website, okay, the website loads from top to bottom. That means it reads your code from the top of the page, right at the top, and it goes down, and it does it in a split second. It goes from top to bottom. Okay. Therefore, Simona, what do you think you need to do with your music code? What do you think Simona should do with the music code? Exactly, you should move it down. So just put it underneath the writing, cut that code out, put it underneath the writing, and then your music will appear underneath the writing. Okay, Simona, does that make sense? Okay. Brilliant. Natalia T's work. Let's have a look at Natalia T's work. Funny one. Let's see the website. Okay. Here we go. Okay, yes, Natalia T. So what we have here, so what you've done is you've added it on the next line. What you need to do is, okay, where's your code? Let's have a look at your code. I can see your code here. There we go. Click on index HTML, and you've popped your iframe. Where is your iframe? Here. Okay. So the one thing, what you need to do, can I edit that? No, I can't. So if you can see here, Natalia T, what you need to do is, is it opening or is it closing? Yeah, so just after here, you need to press enter. So if you press enter just before, Okay, you need to wrap it around a paragraph tag. Okay, it's what you need to do. So after your image, you should put in open brackets p close brackets. So if we go back to the web to the chat to the you'll be doing Kahoot shortly. Don't worry. Okay. But make sure you have made your code. You'll put your music onto your website. Kevin, have you done yours? Can I see your website, Kevin? Right, whose is this? Okay, so Natalia T, what you need to do is wrap yours around that and that. Okay, so Natalia, if you put you need to use that code. So you need to put that code around the iframe. Okay, so around the iframe. So around that. So you need to close it, open it, and close it with that, and then the music. Where is your website? Then the music will move. Have we got any more websites quickly, and then we can do Kahoot? Any more websites? Simona, she says you've made. Okay, let's have a look. Send it over. Ian. Yeah. But you need to, so it's not right underneath. Let's have a look at your code as well, Simona. So right underneath. Remember, your code needs to be looking as neat as possible. So make sure that you and someone else can read it. So make sure. Okay. So what have we got here? Yeah. So you see, you've got your writing here. Oh, what's that? I think there's a bit of yeah. You need to put that on a new line. So you see where it says iframe? You've got 2 iframes in there. Yeah, they need to be on a new line each. Yeah, so make that iframe here a new line. So you just press enter here. So when you click there and then press enter, and that should bring it back underneath. But you need to also put it there to make it easier for folks to view source and remix. Yeah, after that as well. You need to put it after that. So it should be in a whole. These 2 iframes should be a whole new paragraph on their own, if you will. Okay, does that make sense? Okay, let's just have a look at I'm just gonna set up the Kahoot, guys, but at the same time send through your websites so we can also check the websites. Click here for dark mode. Oh, very good, Ian. Very, very good. Ian's doing really well. Fantastic. Brilliant. Fantastic. Very good. So you moved from a dark one, and then you can click back and you go to the light one as well. Fantastic, Ian. Very good. So he's got 2 modes there. So one for day, and one for night. Very good. Very, very good. Let's have a look at Sophia Amelie's quickly while we set up the Kahoot. We're good for time, guys. We're good for time. Okay. Not bad. Now, right, guys. So what I'm going to say is what we need to do is I'm going to say that for yours as well, Amelie. We need to use these paragraph tags a lot more, because the paragraph tags will give you a new line in HTML. So you've got the paragraph. Yeah. So how do you do a paragraph tag? You tell me. I'm not going to tell you how to do it. You tell me how to do paragraph tag. But how do you do a paragraph tag? Yep, that's open it. And then how do you close the paragraph tag? Or you can use line break as well. Well done, Simona. That's right. Now, how do you close a paragraph, or how do you close a line break? Exactly, Simona. Very, very good. Well done. So before you've done the iframe, open the P. After you've done the iframe, close the P. Okay. Use that, and then it will give you new lines for everything on the HTML side. So use P's. Does that make sense? Yeah. Yeah. If you use the P